Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto G13 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So just to activate the always on display feature, we should first get the application from the Play Store, because unfortunately we have not installed by default the LED option on our device. That's why in the search bar we should enter the Muviz Edge and just get this first application. So just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click Draw Our Apps, and then find Muviz Edge application. Then click here on the switcher and go back. After that, go back to the application, tap to AED and select one from these available tabs which you will like. Just tap to apply on the right down corner, lock the device, and we can see that we just successfully activated the always on display option on our Motorola Moto G13. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.